Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can use GameStop gift card on your PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here on the right you're gonna find your game library. As you can see guys right here, you're gonna find all of your installed apps and games. Here you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And here in the top you're gonna find your games, media, you're gonna find search, settings, and lastly you're gonna find your profile icon. So right now, if you want to use a GameStop gift card or any gift card on the PlayStation 5, firstly go ahead and click on PlayStation Store. And then right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find recent release, collections, promotions, subscriptions, and browse. Here you're gonna find search, wish list. Here you're gonna find your cart, and lastly you're gonna find some more options. Right now go ahead and click on more, and then once you do that right here, you're gonna find payment method, redeem a code, subscriptions, transaction history, and payment settings. So right now go ahead and click on redeem code, and then once you do that right here, just go ahead and enter your code. Make sure the code is correct, and then once you do that, go ahead and click on done or click on R2 on your controller, and then if the code is working, you're gonna be able to click on use to use or redeem your code. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.